Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore a fun and stylish topic. Organize your mugs with style. If you have got a growing collection of mugs and want to keep them neat and visual appealing, you are the right place. Let's kick things off with mug selection. Your journey to stylish mug organization being with the mugs, the mixed leaves. Choose mugs that not only have sentimental value but also match your kitchen's synthetics. Whether it is colorful, minimalistic, or rustic, your mug should fit the style you love. Now let's talk about displaying your mugs in style. Open sleeving is fantastic way to showcase your mugs collection. It is easy to access, adds characters to your kitchen and allow you to switch up the display whenever you like. For a visual appealing display, consider color coordinated arrangements. Group mugs by color to create a stunning visual impacts. It is a simple yet effective way to add style to your kitchen. Another stylish option is floating mugs racks. These racks can be installed under cabinet or on empty walls. They save space and add a unique touch to your kitchen. Mug trees and hooks are versatile and charming. They come in various designs from rustic to modern. Choose one that complements your kitchen style and you will have an organized and stylish display. Don't forget to add your personal touch. Consider creating DIY mugs, art, or add small plants or decorative items among your mugs. It is this personal touch that makes your display uniquely yours. And there you have it, folks. Organize your mugs with style with the right mug selection, open sleeving, colors corrections, floating mugs racks, mug trays, and a touch of these personalization. You can turn your mug collection into the chic and stylish kitchen display. If you found this idea inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channels for more home organization and stylish inspiring videos.